IA-1 is talking about policy and procedures and making sure that your organization has those policies and procedures in place. Best believe if you don't have those in place and they're not effective, that when you have an assessment from a third-party organization, they're going to see that. Do you have any login procedures? That may be something that they look at. If you don't have those documents, especially your policy, if you don't have those policies updated and signed off by the appropriate entities in your organization, that will be something that they'll ding you on. And that's a big one because policies are super important. Procedures are very important too, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be as tight. They can look like just about anything, right? You can literally copy and paste this, put it on a Word document, put your letterhead up, and then that's it, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be signed or anything. You just have to say, yep, this is the procedure that we use. So it's kind of loose because they really understand that there's all kinds of technology. They change all the time, right? The main thing is that everybody knows what they're doing, right? The things that auditors do is they'll walk around and then they'll do an interview. Let's say, do you have procedures? Have you seen the procedures to log into this TACAC server? You know, you're a system admin, you're a network admin. Do you guys have procedures for that? Let me see them, right? They might say something like that.